Welcome to Wassell Woodworking. Today's project, we're going to be making some shelves back behind the lathe and mill here to hold things like oils and WD-40, small tools. It's going to be about 5 inches deep, 30 inches wide, and 30 inches tall. It's going to hang on top of the cleat up here along the wall. It's going to be using old shelving from closets. It's basically some old plywood with wood strip along the front. So when cutting these into 5-inch strips, be careful to keep this attached to this, not cutting through there because there could be some old nails. So I'm going to cut all 3 of these boards into 5-inch strips. As you can see, the cabinet's coming together. Got the sides, each of the shelves put together. Really at this point I need to sand the sides down, make sure everything fits well. On here I'm going to be cutting in a groove in, actually on the top part up here, where, actually I'm not sure if this is going to be the top or this is going to be the top. We'll figure it out. But anyway, where the French cleat runs along the wall, so it'll fasten to that. So, we're working on the cabinet, we got the pieces. I'm going to put a back on it. It's a 1/4 inch thick, so I'm going to cut a 1/4 by 1/4 inch groove around the side. Because of the French cleat, that piece is going to have to be 4 to 1 inch to put a back in there so that you don't see the French cleat. So I'm going to start by running all the corners of the bottom and the 2 sideboards. 2 of the shelves will have to have a 1/4 inch cut off, and the top one I'll work something out on it. So I put everything together. You can see the groove for the bottom two sections that are recessed a 1/4 inch, and then you can see the section up here that's recessed by 1 inch, and that will, again, will keep the French cleat from showing. Alright, so now I'm going to glue up the shelves. So it's been assembled, and now it's been primed, waiting for it to dry, and then this is going to be coated in green, and the back that goes on is actually going to be in white, so it reflects some good light near my lathe. So here are the backs. They've been all painted, primed in white, and they've been painted white. They're going to be going on in just a little while. So I've painted the primer, painted a first coat of green. Now I'm going to continue painting one more coat, and that should finish it off. So we're back after a day. And I have the 2 panels for the back taken care of, and I painted this. It really took about 3 coats of green to paint over the white. So I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to go through it and tack on the back. So then we can hang it up and see what it looks like. Here's the cabinet. Oh, that looks nice. So on this back wall, it's supposed to be flush with a concrete block. One of the issues is there's some splatter from the original concrete. I'm just going to take that off with a cold chisel here before I hang it up. Alright, so it looks like we're ready to hang it up. And there it is. So it's up there. It looks like a place for putting my different things that I want to have up here. So it's light, it reflects, it looks good. So thank you for joining me. Thanks for watching.